Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, we're going to be making a masculine birthday card with this truly tailored bundle that's in the Stampin' Up! Occasions catalog. And it comes with this great set with these images that coordinate with this fabulous tailored tagged punch. And we're going to be using that along with some of the True Gentleman Designer Series paper. So to get started, I have a piece of very vanilla cardstock, and I already have the stamp mounted. It says "To a Classy Kind of Guy," and I'm going to stamp that in Night of Navy on the very vanilla cardstock. Okay, make sure this is good and inked up, and then just stamp it where it will be easy for me to punch. All right, that's a good crisp image. So now we're going to take the coordinating tailored tag punch, I should say, and just center that and give it a punch. Okay, that's a great shape for that. Okay, so I have a scrap strip of the designer paper, and I want a backing for this. So what I'm going to do is punch out another tailored tag. All right, and then I'm going to take my paper snips and just cut it in half. And there's a line there, so I can, on the pattern paper, so I can just cut along that. And let's see, I think I'm going to use some Fast Fuse, but you could use your favorite adhesive on this. And what I'm wanting is a border, something to make that very vanilla stand out a little bit against another piece of very vanilla that I'm going to put behind this. So I'm just dividing it up and making a little edge there. Okay, all right, let me just set that aside, and we're going to get and build the card base. So here I have Tranquil Tide cut at 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, and we're going to fold that and match those corners and give it a good crease with the bone folder. And I have a great plaid with from that designer series paper, the True Gentleman. It's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And before I adhere that down, I'm going to use some of this coordinating Night of Navy 3/8 inch corduroy ribbon. Goodness, I'm how tongue-tied today. And I'm just going to tie this in a knot. And I'm not going to trim it off of the bolt until I'm sure about how much I need. Okay, so since it's just going to be a knot, I know I'm going to cross it over like that. Let me go ahead and cut a little extra just in case I need it. I can always trim. And I'm going to divide this in half, make it easy on myself. Okay, do like that. Bring this top down, make a loop, bring the bottom over across, go through the loop, and then I'm going to go ahead and twist it so that the corduroy ribbon part is up, not the back side. And then you can play with it just a little bit to get it to sit like you like. And then I can trim off at a little angle here and have a nice little ribbon accent. That'll be great for this card. Okay. So I want that ribbon to stay in place, so I'm going to get a mini glue dot and pull one off of here. Let's see, it's a new roll, so let me find where it starts. Here we go. And I'm going to put a mini glue dot under that knot and hold that in place. Okay? All right. So now let's go ahead and get this adhered to the Tranquil Tide card base. fast fuse is not cooperating with me today. All right, and let's just mount that over top, just like that. Okay, looking good. All right, so now I already have 2 pieces of cardstock cut here. I cut these with the Stitch Shapes framelits in these squares, okay? And this is Tranquil Tide, and then I have another Very Vanilla. Now, my plan is to attach that right there, and you can see why I wanted to add this backing so that I wouldn't have the Very Vanilla against the Very Vanilla square there, but that makes it pop out on the card. So let me go ahead and adhere these 2 pieces together because I know that's what's going to happen. Goodness. Okay. Just like that. And then let's take this and we're going to center it right there. More fast fuse. And I want it pretty much centered on that square. So it's going to extend a bit behind this Very Vanilla square like that. And I can press that down. And now I want a little bit of embellishment in the corners there, so I'm going to get my Regal's enamel dots, or shapes I should say, and I used circles when I made this card before. This time I'm going to use the stars and just put one in each corner. Oops. Just like that. Then this is going to adhere to the front of the card, and we're going to be done. Love that. I love this paper. I think it has a really classy feel. Get it? Classy feel. And I love the color combinations. And there we go. Okay, there's a nice masculine card. I'll finish that off with a piece of Very Vanilla on the inside, and maybe put some accents that are from the set. I like this bow tie here. I think that would look good. Anyway, and a sentiment, I can put this: hoping your birthday is as grand as you. Today is your day. Celebrate in style. I'll just have to try to decide when I know who's going to be the recipient of this card. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.